interest. Compound interest is the interest calculated not only on the original amount but also on the interest added in previous period. In simple terms, you earn interest on the both money you put in the interest that has already been added. This makes your money grow faster over time. Formula for compound interest is A equals to P, quantity of 1 plus R over N raised to the power of NT, where A is the final amount, P is your starting money or principal, R is the annual interest rate, N is how many times it's compounded per year, and T is the time in year. Example problem for compounding interest is Mia invested 10,000 at 5% interest compounded annually for 3 years. Here's how we solve it. A equals P, quantity of 1, plus R over N raised to the power of NT. So, A equals 10,000, quantity of 1, plus 0.05 over 1 raised to the power of 3 equals 10,000, quantity of 1.05 raised to the power of 3. So, A equals 10,000 times 1.157625, and A equals to 11,576.25. So, we're done giving examples with complete solution. And now we're going to proceed to where do we see compound interest in real life? It's used in saving accounts, investment, and loans. When you save, it helps your money grow faster. But if you borrow and don't pay on time, compound interest can make your debt grow too. So, overall, compound interest is the interest calculated on the both original amount and the interest that has already been added from previous period. This means earn interest on interest, allowing your money to grow faster over time. Unlike simple interest, which only applies to the principal, compound interest increases the total amount more quickly. It's often used in saving, investment, and loans, helping money grow steadily if invested, but only increases debt if not managed well. The longer the time and the more frequent the compounding, the greater the growth. That's all. Thank you for watching. Directed by Krisha May Irishardo, Jamaica Lau, Larissa Makapili, Samantha Aharaja, and Arkadap Abdua. Submitted to Sir Aaron Tanyo from Group 4 Amorsolo.